this method is a lot faster than decomposition. So when we have a coefficient that we cannot factor out, then we have to find a way of factoring this. And what we do with this kind of equation, the first thing we do, we multiply the 3 and the 4. And so we're looking for what multiplies to give us positive 12 and add to give me this middle number right here, which is negative 8. The two numbers that will do that for me are negative 6 and negative 2. So what you do now, you take this and write these factors right in as x minus 6 as an x minus 2. It doesn't stop here. That would be too easy. Because we have a coefficient that's a 3 in front of the x squared, that means I have to divide both of these numbers by the 3. This divides and gives me 2, so that becomes x minus 2. This doesn't divide, so what I need to do, just move the 3 in front of the x there. And this is my factor for this. You could always double check by foiling this and getting this back. Now, if we go to this one right here, we do the same thing. So we go 4 times negative 9. So what multiplies to give me negative 36 and adds to give me negative 16. Or the two numbers that do this for me are negative 18 times positive 2, because negative 18 times 2 gives me negative 36. And when you add them, they give you negative 16. Now I take this and write it as x minus 18 and x plus 2. Doesn't stop here. You have to divide by the coefficient of the x squared, both numbers. So here's divided by 4, divided by 4. You have to reduce. So 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 18 9 times, and 2 goes into 4 here twice and goes into 2 once. So what I have x minus 9 over 2 and x plus 1/2. Since they're still fractions, I just have to move the 2 to this side right here. That gives me 2x minus 9. And I have to move this 2 to the x and give me 2x plus 1. You'll find this a lot faster if you're writing. You know, when you get into first year university and time becomes very critical, you really have to do things faster. This is a lot faster than decomposition. As always, math is like a puzzle, and puzzles are fun to solve. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.